So you will get this kind of most demanding variety at a very minimum range from the factory outlet of DK Textile, because we regularly launch this kind of new variety. If I tell about this variety, what kind of variety is this, then look at the beautiful print, color and designs. Look at the beautiful designs, my friend. You can see the in the neck you will get this kind of bottom print, like this is the print of the bottom. This same print design will be of the bottom. So hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. So once more time, DK Textile has launched this kind of beautiful article in surplus sizes, because customers nowadays heavy demand surplus sizes like 3XL, 4XL, 5XL and 6XL. So look at these beautiful designs and color. All these designs are launched in two-piece variety, and once more time, this is the best variety which is in cotton, because this is surplus plus two-piece. So you will get this kind of most demanding variety at a very minimum range from the factory outlet of DK Textile, because we regularly launch this kind of new variety. You can check out on our channel that we are the biggest manufacturer of kurti. So if you want to order in bulk this kind of surplus sizes kurti two-piece, then connect with DK Textile. Our number is given on the screen, and get benefit of this kind of beautiful kurtis in this all bundle comes with this kind of 4 pieces set: 3XL, 4XL, 5XL and 6XL, size starting from 44, 46, 48 and 50. So if you want to do business, and if you are already doing a business, then DK Textile will be the best place for you, because we give varieties which are the top trending. If I tell about this variety, what kind of variety is this, then look at the beautiful print, color and designs. Look at the beautiful designs, my friend. You can see in the neck you will get this kind of bottom print, like this is the print of the bottom. This same print design will be of the bottom. So it will be very easy for you to get the matching of like what kind of bottom is in this. So this is a two-piece variety, and look at the sizes. Look at the beautiful size. As I already told you, this is the surplus size. So you will get this kind of beautiful kurti, and all having beautiful interlock. Look at this interlock, and these are some sample color. We have more than 100 plus colors are available in this kind of kurti. Look at this, another beautiful black color, this kind of kurti, and look at the size of the kurti. You can see how big it is, and we would get you more bigger size than this, because this is just 3XL, 4XL, 5XL and 6XL. So you are also looking for surplus size kurtis, two-piece, three-piece, then DK Textile will be the best place for you, because we manufacture this kind of kurtis. We are the manufacturer of this kind of kurtis. So if you want to join with the any manufacturer who will give you your customized option, and also COD is also available for the friends who are watching this video, this kind of variety, and they are thinking to take order or give order, then this kind of variety you can order from home also. Our minimum order is 10,000 rupees, in which also COD is available. So you can purchase this kind of beautiful and many more beautiful varieties at one place, at single roof in DK Textile. So why are you bothering and stopping this kind of varieties selling in your counter? Because if you put this kind of varieties in your counter, then customer will easily attract, because look at the beautiful print in these designs. And also I have already told you that available in this kind of 4 sizes. So every bundle you purchase, you will get 4 sizes like 3XL, 4XL, 5XL and 6XL. So if you also want to purchase bundle to bundle and mass purchasing, then DK Textile will give you best discounted price, because we deal in bulk. So if you want to sell in bulk and get a huge discount and profit, then DK Textile will be the best place for you. Our description is given, in which you will get the address, and our shop is located in Surat. So you come visit our office and you will get lots of variety. We have more than 300 plus varieties, in which you will get almost 900 plus colors, and all the sizes are available. As you can see, in regular sizes you will get all the videos in our channel, and this is surplus size kurti. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, so we'll get regular updates on this kind of many more variety. So see you in the next video with one more best variety which will be best selling in your counter. So connect with us, connect with our salesman. All the details are given on the description.